All right, everybody, welcome back to Where's Jared? It's your boy, Jared. Today, we have the 2026 Jayfeather 26 BHSL. Check this thing out. Pretty sweet floor plan, been around a long time. I love the product from Jayfeather. Vacuum bonded, laminated sidewall, yuck, block film insulation in the walls and the floors, fiberglass batting in the roof. Let's get into this thing. We'll go over the construction as we're walking through it as well. Straight up, one time for the boys right away. Sorry. Come on. Little bedroom action, queen size bed, full length. Not really a walk around bed, but we do have two entries, right? So a his and hers entryway. So you guys can both get out without crawling over each other. Hanging wardrobe. You guys already know the deal. You guys know what those look like. Boom, down right here. Nice little area. Some power right here for your CPAP. Little bed check. Ooh, nice. Let me check this out. Huge, just pass-through storage underneath the bed. So there's a laminated floor system in this one. Jayfeathers do that. It's a very, very durable, lightweight floor system. It's lighter than the wood floors that a lot of brands do. It's just super durable. Bang. I really like that pass through under the bed. I would put totes or something like that in there. Entertainment center. A little one time for the boys. Entertainment center, it should be a 12 by 12 square backer right there. You have so this is really cool. So Jayco does this a lot. You have the 12 volt receiver right here. So if you buy a 12 volt TV, if you're dry camping overnight at a Walmart or a Cabela's or a Bass Pro Shop or something like that, you can still watch reruns of Friends while you're hanging out until you get to the campground the next day. So it's pretty cool. Just a little bit of storage down here. I wonder if there's a fireplace option for it. Mock marble on the countertop. You guys know I love that. Single basin sink. Little light action, 3-burner stove with the glass backsplash. You guys know how that works. Bang, and then one more bang, right? Cast iron on the griddle top there. I like that. No hams or turkeys, but Hot Pockets and pizzas are in the oven. Why not? And then this was a cool little feature that they did, the knife rack back there. So it's like a knife rack. You stick your knives in there, keep them nice and steady. I wonder if it's also magnetic or not, or if it just grabs onto them so you can hold them while you're going down the road. Food and friends. And check out the cabinets, dude. So we're doing wood core cabinetry, pocket holes and screws. If you guys look really closely, you can actually see the wood in there. It's not pressed board, it's not OSB. They're really, really big on making sure there's no OSB in their coaches. 12 volt refrigerator. Everybody else's food and getting soggy, yours is staying frosty. Rolling blackouts aren't a problem for you. Freezer on the bottom, which I actually prefer. I prefer the freezer on the bottom. All my heavy stuff is in the freezer usually. I want my heavy stuff in the bottom. Huge pantry. Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 17 24 snack size bags, Frito-Lays. Plug me in, Frito. Come on. Double over double bunks. One thing that's unique with Jayco, I wonder if it's over here anywhere, but they do a 600-pound bunk rating on their double over doubles. Right, so a lot of other brands just do a 300-pound weight rating up there. But you can have two Where's Jared's color on the top bunk. That'd be a sight to see. Two big fat butts up there. Coming in the bathroom, and now bathroom is a huge thing for Jayco. Come on, the boys. Bathrooms are a huge thing for Jayco. They do the single panel shower wall, which I love, and then they do a podium right underneath the shower. Right, the podium is made out of the same thing that the floors are made out of in Jayflight, so it's a 5/8 inch plywood and 2x4s that just hold it up. It's just the shower podium is what we call it. So Tubby-Guy-Turbulance test. This is where I got it from because like this is so important to me. And when I tell you that Jayco has a zero Tubby-Guy-Turbulance on their shower floor. I mean, this thing is as solid as you can make it. Decent headroom, nothing fancy dancy about it. But you do have this skylight right here. It covers most of the shower, so I mean, I don't know. You could be 7 foot tall in the shower. And then a little Fart Fan 1000. Let's check out the toilet. Plastic sink. I don't know what this brand is, but shout out Goodwill in Griffith, Indiana. Come on. Toothbrush, toothpaste, Tylenol. You got your hand towels, hand lotions, and or hand towels, and hand lotions you love to buy but never use. Do we have any valve cutoffs on here? I don't see them right offhand, but it might be back there somewhere. That's a good location for toilet paper. I hate when they do weird toilet paper stuff like over here. We have to open this up and it's on this wall. I hate that crap. But a little towel rack. Boop. Come back out in here. 4-person booth dinette goes into a bed. You guys know that. Jackknife sofa with the lounge for the honey buns and you. Bang. A little action going. No spray and pray. No spray and pray. You do have the drop down nooks and crannies because you know you have those. And then just some extra storage on this side. Not bad. Let's get to the outside of this thing. So this is the vacuum bonded sidewall with that block foam insulation we were talking about. Little outside kitchen area. LP Quick Connect is right here. That's that tag right down there. There's that tag. But you have running water. You have the 28 cold ones. You have your LP Quick Connect for your grill. So you have a full outside kitchen. And you just need to bring the grill. Decent wheelbase right here. Tires are rated for, I want to say it's 82 miles an hour. I could be wrong. With a 6-year manufacturer defect warranty. Jayco's really, really big about warranty. They are the only ones in the industry that do a 2-year warranty on everything and then a 3-year structural warranty as well. It's one of those 60,000 BTU tankless on-demand hot water heaters. We know that because of the circle, right? Prep for the Lippert on-the-go ladder and backup camera. This one's also prepped for solar. We are a 30 amp unit right here. Cable TV input. And then right here, black tank flush. That's the sprinkler system you ran through in the summer days of yonder, but for your poop tank. City water connection. This is where you hook up your hose from the campsite or side of the house, wherever you're camping. I don't know. Oh, little boot scooting booty. Little boot scooting booty. And then a good look at that pass-through storage from the other side. Look at how crazy that is. All the way through. Those are your tools for the tongue jack if it ever fails, and your jacks and your spare tire, which is right underneath here. You see it? On the other side, there's actual hole. I'll show you that. Power tongue jack, 2 20-pound propane tanks. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. 2+3 warranty, there it is right there. And they're also doing the Asdel exterior, which is awesome. That is in place of Luan. So it's mold and mildew resistant, can absorb moisture. And here's the entry point for that tool to get your spare tire down. Guys, I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. As always, stay educated, stay educated.